Well, as the release of presidential popularity opinion polls comes to a close, latest findings indicate that Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition presidential candidate Raila Odinga is likely to win the presidency.
According to the latest opinion poll commissioned by the Nation Media Group and conducted by Infotrack, Odinga would garner 49% of the votes, followed by UDA's William Ruto at 41%. Findings from the latest Ipsos survey also indicate that Raila Odinga would win at 47%.
Sydney Chazima now breaks down the findings from the opinion pollsters, in this report.
For the last 3 consecutive months, Raila Odinga has been leading in the opinion polls. And now, according to a presidential poll commissioned by the Nation Media Group and conducted by research firm Infotrack, Raila would amass 49% of the vote, while William Ruto will come in second at 41% if elections were held today. Roots Party's George Wajakoya would gain 2.9% of the vote, while Agano Party's Wahiga Mwaure would garner 0.2% of the vote. The number of undecided voters polled at 7%. UDA is still the most popular political party at 36%, followed by ODM at 35%. The ruling party Jubilee polls at 4%, Wiper follows at 3%, and Roots Party polls at 1%. According to the opinion poll, Azimio One Kenya is the most popular alliance, polling at 49%, as Kenya Kwanza trails with 38%. Interestingly, the polls reveal that 80% of Kenyans have trust in the National Police Service. 79% say they trust the media, while 78% trust the IEBC to conduct a free and fair general election. Presidential candidates in their manifestos have promised to tackle various issues affecting the nation within 100 days. When questioned over the expectations on those 100-day promises, 71% of Kenyans called on the winning team to address the high cost of living. 52% cited lack of employment, while 33% vouched for the improvement of roads and infrastructure. Earlier in the day, findings released by another opinion pollster Ipsos put ODM leader Raila Odinga in the lead at 47%, William Ruto at 41%, George Wajakoya polled at 2.9%, as David Mwaure came in at 0.2%. In accordance with the law, no other opinion poll should be released 5 days to the general election. Sydney Chazima, NTV.